Hello traders, this is Wilson from MegaFX and today we're back with another breakdown video for you all. Watch this video till the end to know exactly how you could have gained 160 plus pips with gold free analysis and signal in MegaFX VIP. So let's get started. So the first thing that we did was we observed this 400 plus pips move that got produced during the core CPI news release in November 10th. As you can see here, the price has caused a significant imbalance and produced some significant clean candles with this move. So what we did was we just observed the market and waited for the perfect opportunity to enter. So we just drew our Fibonacci from this high to this low, and we discovered something very interesting just at the beginning of the NYSE opening. So this was the London price action. As you can see here, the price moved around 120 plus pips, but right at the beginning of NY opening, the price grabbed the London high and had a significant rejection. Although our bias was not bearish in the beginning, but seeing this massive rejection from our daily point of interest pursued us to go short. So what we did was we took our entry around here and held the position. The next thing that we did was we secured most of our profits, around half of our profits after price broke below this low. And then when price reached the fair value gap, as you can clearly see, price has some imbalance around this candle. We closed most of our positions around here and left a runner. This is how easily you can gain all these pips with MegaFX. We're also offering our VIP service for free. Just check on the link on the description down below. Thank you.